This video provides instructions on how to install Trex Seal Sub-Ledger Tape. Trex Seal Sub-Ledger Tape is a 22-inch wide butyl-based ledger flashing tape with an aluminum liner. First, identify where the top of the ledger board will be located. Measure up 6 inches and snap a chalk line the width of the deck. Peel off the 6-inch release liner and attach the tape across the width of the deck. Make sure the Trex Seal Sub-Ledger Tape is installed beneath the house wrap. Once aligned properly, peel off the 12-inch release paper and smooth the tape down the wall. Install the ledger board and joist. Below the deck, install the house wrap and run it under the 4-inch release liner. Then peel off the remaining 4-inch release liner and smooth the tape over the house wrap.